Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the brightness option not showing in Windows 10. You really want to adjust the brightness on your Windows 10 screen and it literally doesn't show you the option of the adjusting brightness. Stick around and watch it till the end. So all you have to do in that search area, just put the word brightness. As you can see right there on your screen, try to put the word brightness and see if really the option of changing the brightness, like when it's super bright for you want to change it to smaller brightness. As you can see, when you see that option, it's really not available for you right now for this screen at the moment. So if you're such a person and you really want to reduce the brightness on your screen and you have no option, you're not seeing the option of adjusting the brightness on your screen, even when you try the shortcut of adjusting the screen, it doesn't show you on your screen. So just watch this video until the end. But let's make sure, if you're a fan of tips, tricks, tech tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So as you can see, I was trying to look for the options of what's adjusting the screen brightness and trying to change the contrast, just like that, but it all doesn't solve my problem. So first things, you need to make sure that you really need to make sure that you watch this video until the end. So what you have to do is go back to your search area and put the word check for updates, or you just put updates, and then your computer will automatically try to look for updates. So make sure you update your Windows. After updating the Windows and you come back, after updating the Windows, this is what happens. You'll be very astonished if you find that and you try to check back, go back to the settings and you put brightness. This is after updating the Windows. Try to check in the ease of access to brightness, and then it will show you this. Now you see this, see what happens. As you can see down below, you'll see that make everything brighter. That is the area of adjusting brightness. As you can see right there, I'm able to adjust my brightness. Solution: please make sure you update your Windows and make sure that if you pick value in this video, make sure you subscribe. But not forgetting, when you try to go back to the desktop and try to check if the shortcut for adjusting brightness is accessible. You can see right now it's very active now, and before it wasn't. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.